How to add watermark in Microsoft Word update version 3-way. Make watermark in Microsoft Word, logo, picture and text. Open your Microsoft Word and go to design. Here watermark and go to custom watermark. Here choose picture watermark, select picture and go to your folder and select show picture and select the picture and insert and then okay. So look, this is picture watermark, and then if you remove it, go to watermark and custom watermark, select no watermark and okay, then see remove. If you text watermark, custom watermark and text watermark, here you type and select font and click OK. So this is watermark, and if you change color, go to watermark and custom watermark and then select color and apply OK. So look this, if you remove it, go to watermark and custom watermark, select no watermark and OK paste. So remove it. Please like and subscribe.